Audio Jungle.
Way to clean your monitor is by using a microfiber cloth. This kind of material doesn't leave any lint behind. Plus, it's quite soft and you won't risk scratching the surface of your computer screen. After you've finished cleaning the monitor, move the microfiber cloth over the screen in circular motions. This will polish the surface and remove streaks and tiny particles that the cloth may have left behind. The best way is to start at one of the top corners and then move across the screen back and forth until you reach the bottom.
मजा नहीं आया।
Music.
मजा आया और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूं।